Meaning of eclectically.
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 Eclectically. Eclectically refers to the act of selecting or choosing from various sources or styles. It implies a diverse range of influences and an open-minded approach to decision-making. When applied to, for example, someone's taste in music or fashion, an eclectic style might involve combining elements from different genres or decades, resulting in a unique and often unexpected aesthetic. In art or design, an eclectic approach might involve combining different techniques or materials to create a vibrant and dynamic work. Overall, an eclectic approach values diversity and individuality, resulting in a rich and varied outcome.